Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make an aesthetic cottagecore background. So I'm going to go into Safari, search up Pinterest.com, and then I'm going to search up cottagecore, and I'm going to find a background. So I actually like this one, and I'm going to add it to photos. And now I'm going to go into PicsArt, and I'm going to click the plus button at the bottom and click the image that I just got off of Pinterest and crop it to 16:9. So you can adjust it if you want. I like it there. I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to blur it, and I'm going to adjust my blur. Now I'm going to click apply, and I'm going to go to brushes, and I'm going to look for something to go over it. I like these pink hearts, so I'm going to put that on the back. Oh, that's like a little too much. And now I'm going to draw like a little thing on the side. And I'm going to click apply and save to photos. Now I'm going to go into Phonto, and I'm going to click the camera icon, go to photo albums, and get the image that I just got off of PicsArt. And you can change the filter if you want. I actually like it. I like it the way it is, so I'm going to click done. I'm going to add item. And I'm going to size this up as a border. And then add to the width. And now I might actually adjust that color. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm going to save that image. Okay, now I'm going to go to Phonto again. I'm going to get the image that we just uploaded on Phonto. I'm going to click done. I'm going to add my channel name. I'm going to put it in the middle. And I'm going to change the color, so I'm going to go to create color pattern. I'm going to add this pink and add this pink, but I'm going to adjust it a little. Now I'm going to adjust that as well. Make it a little lighter. Go to vertical. I actually like how that looks. So now I'm going to click apply. I'm going to add a white stroke. I'm going to go to style and also add a glowy outline. I'm going to click done, move that over to the middle, and I'll click save image. Okay, once I save successfully, I'm going to go into Phonto again, and this time I'm going to add and you're going to still just put the same thing that you did, the same colors and stuff, and you're going to add subscribe and all the stuff you want to add. Okay, once you saved all of your image, now you're going to go into CapCut, and you're going to make a new project. So now you're going to add the photos that you just made. And first you're going to add your audio so you know where you want your photos to go. So I'm going to go to warm, and I'm going to find a beat. I like this one, so I'm going to adjust the first image. So I'm going to crop it to before the beat drops. I'll split that. Split that right there. Split that right there. Gonna split that. You're gonna delete So I'm going to add the first image again so it can only be the background. And I'm going to move it to the end of the sound. Okay. Now I'm going to add like my transitions. So you can find the effect that you want.